Before we begin our program, here is a brief message from iSurgeons Associates, a sponsor of the 2021 Summer Reading Program.
See them learn. See them experience things for the first time. See happiness. See an eye doctor before age 3. See better, live better with iSurgeons Associates.
Hello! Welcome to Creation Studio Grab and Go. Today we are going to be doing tissue paper painting. This craft will be available starting Monday, June 7th, and you can come into the library during library hours into the kids area to get your grab and go bag. Inside you should have a piece of cardstock paper, a Ziploc baggie full of bleeding tissue paper. This is a special kind of tissue paper. When you add water to it, the ink actually comes off of the tissue paper. Also, you will have a paintbrush inside of your grab and go bag. The one other thing that you will need is just water. We can add water to this tissue paper to make a work of art. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to get a little bit of water on our paintbrush. And we're going to wet some of the paper, the cardstock paper, just a little bit.
There we go.
And then we place a piece of tissue paper onto the cardstock. And it should stick just a little bit. Then we're going to get some more water on our paintbrush, and we're going to paint the top of the tissue paper, making sure that the tissue paper is thoroughly wet. Then you can do the same thing with other pieces of tissue paper, and you can arrange them around on the paper kind of like a collage, or if you want to leave a lot of space between your pieces of tissue paper, you can do that. You can make your work of art however you want to. Blue! You'll notice that some of the ink or color is starting to come off of the tissue paper onto the white cardstock. You'll also notice that it might be coming off onto your hands or the table. You'll want to make sure to do your tissue paper painting on top of some old paper, or perhaps on a surface or table you have just for doing your messy crafts. When you've covered as much of the paper as you want to, you can let your art project sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, just to give it enough time for the colors to really seep into the paper. Then you can begin removing the tissue paper from your cardstock. Should come off pretty easily.
Wow! Mine!
Look how pretty! Once you've removed your tissue paper, all you have to do is wait for your work of art to dry. If you notice your painting has curled up a bit after drying, you can place it under something heavy, like books, to flatten it out. Just make sure your work of art is completely dry before doing so. Remember that you can pick up this craft in the youth area of the Bettendorf Public Library starting Monday, June 7th. We will be making 250 bags, and we will give them out until we run out. For the next Creation Studio Grab and Go, we will be making rainbow twirly gigs. Until then, bye!